Hi guys, thank you very much indeed for purchasing my card trick. If you saw the busking show or whatever, let me show you anyway. We've got a 10 on the top, and on the bottom we've got the jack. If I pull the jack behind my back, what card's here? Well, most people would say the 10, but I got the 10 here. It's called the 2 Card Monte. There's the 10, there's the jack. How did he do it? Let me show you. There's the 10, but on this side we've got the jack. And on this side we've got a double backer. You place the the jack on the top, and as you turn round you just twist to show the 10 is on the bottom. You place the 10 here, but really you're turning it over here. And that's the explanation of the 2 Card Monte. Watch.